Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 1976 Volkswagen Beetle. The brake fluid reservoir is easily visible in the front of the vehicle. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Checking the fuses is easy to do, as they are openly visible underneath the steering wheel. Checking the oil level is no problem, as the oil dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Changing the headlight will require the use of more tools than usual to completely remove the bulb housing to change the bulb. You will have to move the seat for access to the battery. This is a tougher area to work in and can make it hard to use or replace the battery. You'll have to use a few tools in order to access the taillight bulbs. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. Overall, the 1976 Volkswagen Beetle is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain and a good choice for any vehicle owner.